Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how you create your airfoil from coordinates available in the website to create your aircraft wing. You know there are thousands of airfoil available in the website. We have a website named Airfoil Tools. If you go here, then you can see there are thousands of airfoil inside it, but at first we need to see which airfoil we are going to use for our model. The name is B737D. Okay, so we need to look for this airfoil. So click on the B series and then go down. You can see B737D. This is B737D. This is our airfoil, but we need the coordinates. So to get the coordinates, click on the airfoil details. This is our airfoil. To get the coordinates, we need to click again the send to airfoil plotter. Here by default, you can see the chord length of the airfoil is 100, but in our case the root chord length of our aircraft, root chord length of our wing is 7880. So we need to customize our airfoil. So write down here 7880, and to get the revised coordinates, click on the plot here. You can see, click on the plot, and then it will generate the coordinates for you with the chord length 7880. And then to download the coordinates, click on the here the CSV file of coordinates. Click on here, then it will download it. Here you can see the top right corner. Click on the file, and then you can see here there are so many things are here, but we need only the airfoil, the coordinates for airfoil surfaces. So also you can see here we have only two coordinates, x and y coordinates. The click so select all the coordinates and copy it, pressing Ctrl C, take a new sheet, then press Ctrl B. Here is only x and y coordinates, but we need the z coordinates also, but all the z coordinates will be 0. So paste it from top to bottom, and then delete the old sheet. And now I need to save it. Save as tab, to make sure that you save the file as text tab delimited file, and then name it as CL7880. So we have already a file, then we can delete it. Okay. So this is our name, so you can save it. Okay, we need to close it to import it to our SolidWorks file. Now open the SolidWorks part file. This is a new SolidWorks part file. Make sure that your unit is millimeter, and now go to insert, and then curve, and then curve through XYZ points. So we need to import the coordinates. To do that, you can see here is a browse option. Click on the browse, and then there is nothing here, but I need, if I change the file type here, the text file, then you can see this is our coordinates. So click on this and then open. Yes, you can see the yellow curve of airfoil is here, and click OK. But this is actually a curve sketch. but I need to convert it to sketch. To do that, select the point plane and then click on the curve and then click on the convert entities. Then you can see convert it to black. So now it is a sketch, but here you can see the tail of the airfoil is open. So I need to close it by a line just connecting these 2 points. Okay, now you can see, you can check using the smart dimension whether you get the correct chord length or not. Yes, you can see this is exactly 7,880. So we can use this airfoil to create our wing. Thank you.